Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, in my previous Happy Mail video, which I'll put a card up in the corner, I shared with you the Happy Mail that I received from Sonya Stover, and in that Happy Mail, she sent some ephemera along with some Christmas themed ephemera, along with these three pieces that she created using her scraps. Now, she has a series called Using Up Your Scraps, and it's a weekly series where she does something, she creates something, and believe me, she can use up her scraps and create a folio, a journal, ephemera. It's endless. So that's definitely something you want to tune into. I'll drop a link below to her channel so that you can check out her series. But so she sent these three pieces along with this ephemera here and some goodies. So I will be using, actually, in this here pack here. So I will be using these in 3 different videos to create something else. Now today I'm going to be using this card, or this ice skate, to create a slimline card. And I'll also be using some of the items that she sent me. Now I pulled this paper here because I thought that it was right in theme. It's a scrap paper from a Christmas pad from 3 years ago, I believe it was. And so I'm going to use this to create the slim, to back it with, and hopefully it'll turn out as cute as I imagine in my brain. I also will be creating, there'll be 2 other videos following this one where I create something else using these. So stay tuned for that. Now, as I showed in the previous video, the elements that she sent, but I'm just going to share really briefly what she sent here so I can pick through it and see what I want to use for it, or see what I can use that will go along with what I have in my brain. So I want to use that. That's already on there. I may use that because I have a ticket that I want to use. I might back it. Let me see. I could shadow that. We'll see. We will see. So for now, I am going to use these. That. I want to use that. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and put this to music so that you can watch and maybe grab yourself a cup of coffee, tea, or whatever. Or you pull out your own craft supplies and craft along with me while I create this slimline card. And for those who are new to the channel, before I get started, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see what's coming up on the next videos in this mini series. And for those who are returning subscribers, thanks so much for joining me. Thanks for being a part of this lovely community, and thank you so much for your feedback, comments, and for sharing the channel. And I encourage you guys to continue to do so. All right, and so stay tuned. I'll be back. Okay, so here we have the finished card where I have taken Sonia's scraps and created this lovely slim card. The only items that I've added to it that she hadn't sent me was this fabric, this paper, and obviously the card base, which is just made of cardstock. I used the scrap envelope, as you saw in the video, to line the inside of the card so that it can be written in. And then I used one of her stickers. And then I also used a page from the old, no, actually it's one of the newer paper pads that I have for Christmas to make this envelope. It's actually cardstock. So this is the extension of her scraps. And I think it came out really cute. I love that ice skate. Isn't that ice skate just the cutest thing? I used the pearl, flatback pearls, the ribbon that she sent, the ticket, the tag. I used a little bit of my twine, baker's twine, and stitched around the edges. So I think that came out nice. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is this something you think that is ready for the holidays? Thanks so much for watching. Until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.